Hi guys. So today our topic is about how to bundle your WooCommerce products. So how can we make a group of products? So let me show you. So here you can see I have group of products. So I have three products, one, two, and three. So I can count to two, three if I want five items of this. So I can click on it six, seven as I want. So then I will click on add to cart. So how can I make this bundle product using WooCommerce? So let me show you. So just go to your dashboard, then go to plugins, then click on add new plugin. So from here, search for product bundles. So let me show you the plugin that we need to install and activate to make sure to make this kind of product bundle. So let me wait for a few seconds. So let me show you the plugin that we need to install and activate. Sorry for my internet connection. It's taking a little bit longer. So you can see this is the plugin WC product bundles for WooCommerce by WP Clever. So using this plugin, I will make a bundle product bundles. So let me install and activate this plugin. So now it's installed and let me activate it now. So let me exit this one as well here and let me go to the products. From here, just click on add new product. We'll open it in a new tab. So here I will name it bundle products or product bundles. So here I will just copy some text here. So this is some dummy text. So I will paste it here and here as well. And then I will just go here to product data and click on here and then choose smart bundle here. So now I choose smart bundle, then I will search for in the search box, I will search for my products. So here you can see, let me see my products here. So here you can see my products. So let me search for the product that I want to add. So I will choose this one here and I will choose, let me search for, yeah, let me go back here and let me add this product here. So let me add only the black ones and let me add black this one and let me search for one black. I think I will choose thing like black. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, so three products here. Then I will choose my product image. So I will choose my product image. So I will choose this OD here and I will set it product image. And here I will click on add product gallery images. So I will choose this and I will choose these three here as well. And I will choose black hoodie here and then let me go back. Let me choose this one and let me choose this. Well, let me insert it here. So we have the three products. I will click on publish and let me see the preview changes. So now you can see we have the bundle of products here. So we have three products. So let me show you one more thing. So now we can go to the settings. Here is the fixed price. So if you want to disable the fixed price, so now you can see 450. So this is calculating the items automatically 150, 150, 150. When you click on disable auto calculate price, then click on here to set price. Then let me make it 400 here. So I will make it 400 here. I will click on update here and I will go back and I will refresh this. You can see the price is now fixed 400. So that's how you can change it from here. And then if you want to quantity limits, so now we don't have the this kind of tab in front of every product. So how can we show the atom 1 atom 2 here? So just click on here, and here you want to set it on one atom. For example, if you want to set it this atom, just click on custom quantity here, then click on update and just go back here, and here you can see I have only this on the first atom, but we don't have on second and third. So if you want to insert on all of these, just click on bulk action and then enable custom quantity, then click on OK. So now we have automatically set, but if you want to make it a limit, so for example I want to limit this one to 5, and then I will click on update and I will go to bundle products. So now you can see this one is going infinite and this one we have a limit of 5. That's how you can add these sections here. And then if you want to add a custom display price, so now you can see 400. For example, if you want to add this price here, and let me add this here and just click on update, and here now you can see 10 to 100. That's how you can edit this price as well. Let me remove this one from here, and if you want to add some kind of text here, let me copy this text. So above text it will appear here. So let me add this one and let me add it here. So let me update this one here. So now it will appear on the above and below as well, the text. Now you can see you can use here, and here it is appearing as well. So that's how you can add the product bundles. So on this options, so you can enable the stock, apply for all bundle, shipping fee. So it's totally up to you. So you can these are the same settings of this quantity limits. Here you can see enable custom quantity. So it's totally up to you. You can play with these settings as well. So let me show you one more thing. Just go to WP Cleaver here, then click on product bundles. So here you can set the price format from minimum to maximum. So you can play with these settings as well. So you can choose these settings as well. Show the main product image when choosing the variations of bundle. So you can play with these kind of settings here as well. It's totally up to you. So thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.